What is success? Secrets kept success is because of the people. It's not the interview, it's not money, it's not fame. Success for Secrets Kept is because of the fans. Success is from believing in what you do and success is not from validation, but believing in yourself. Secrets Kept movie forces you to imagine a love so true, even death cannot defeat it. Believe in love, people. Believe in love. That Secrets Kept help you to believe in love.